Hi everyone, welcome. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday, December the 19th, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku I will solve is a 4 star Sudoku. And this will be number 2038. Yes, 2038. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 13 plus 5 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 22, 25 again. Yes, 25 again. Same amount as this one, the 3 stars Sudoku, also with 25, not 24 but 25. In old days the 4 star Sudoku has 24 printed digits. Nowadays 25. But is it really a 4 stars Sudoku? Is this really more difficult than the previous Sudoku? I do not know. So let's see. So let's get started. Alright. We see here an 8 in the third column and 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for an 8 should be there. Then we have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only place for a 3 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, only place for an 8 should be here. Then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see there 2. No 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And then how about the number 6 in this first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between, the second row, the only place for a 6 should be there. And then in the second row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. So no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, here, or there. Well, we see here 2. We see there 2. So no 2s in those 2 boxes. Yes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. 4 missing numbers now in the second row. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here in big square an 8, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. Well, another 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 1, 3. Three missing numbers now in this row. The second row. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here the 1 and the 9, so no 1 and the 9 in this box. The 1 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. Well, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So now we have one box left in the second row, and the missing number here is a 3. All right. So we have a pair, the 3 and the 8 in this column, the 3 and the 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the 3 and the 8 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those for you. That means one box left in the last column for the number 1. So we have a 1 in this column, a 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then, let me see. Yeah. 9, alright, 9, 5, 7. How about these 3 missing numbers? Can I do something with these 3 missing numbers? 1 is missing, 6 is missing, and the number 7 is missing. I cannot do anything with those numbers. 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. No. All right. Let me think. How about 5, 5, 5. 1. These 2 numbers in this big square, the 3 and the 7 are missing. 3 and the 7, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 7 goes there. Overlooked. So now we have a 7 here in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the row below, the third row, the only place for a 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5, we see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. And then 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 7 is missing, and then 9 is missing. Cannot do anything in this column. While this missing number in this column, the number should be here. The number 5, I believe. 5, 5, 5. Yes. Those 2 numbers in this big square, the 7 and the 4. Let me mark those. It's a pair. Here a pair, there a pair. All right. Yeah. 4, 4, 4. 8, 8. All right. All right. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3 and 9, 3 3 3 9 and a 5. No, 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 no. 1 is missing here in this big square. 5 is missing and the 9 is missing. No, cannot do anything. How about, yeah, 6 also. Yes. In this big square we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6. No 6 in those 3 boxes. Here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in this column, a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, we see there 6, so no 6s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there in this row. Yes. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for a 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this can be 7 anymore. This should be a 7 and this should be a 4. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for a 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes. Digit number 1. Then. How about the number? In this column, 3 missing numbers. The middle column. Those numbers are: the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for 9 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are now missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only place for a 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. All right. Then 2 numbers left. in this big square. The 2 and the 8 are missing. The 2 and the 8. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. So this can be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be a 3. One number left in this row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. One number left in this column, the third column for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. One number left in the middle row for the number 3. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes, alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new ones to my channel in the future. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling during the lockdown. See you in a few minutes with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.